2018 BMW Alpina B6 Gran Coupé review. The Alpina B6 is usually a rare Ford or coupe that provides a masterful mix of elegance and speed. Those accustomed to BMW understand the M Performance division creates some scintillating cars. Fewer individuals will know where Alpina slots with BMW, which only helps make the 2018 BMW Alpina B6 Gran Coupé that more intriguing. Alpina's earlier success in racing and subsequent turn to producing performance-enhanced BMW models eventually evolved into a long-term partnership using the mark together with recognition being a manufacturer, and not merely a tuner, of vehicles. Currently only 2 Alpina models are offered, one of these the 2018 B6 Gran Coupé. You can think about the B6 because ultimate expression in the 6 Series Gran Coupé with unique exterior styling differences, exclusive exterior paint options, Alpina-specific 20-inch wheels, unique interior material treatments, and upgrades towards the engine, suspension and 8-speed automatic transmission. Thanks on the Alpina treatment, the B6's twin-turbo V8 power plant produces 600 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, eclipsing the numbers from the mighty M6 by 40 horsepower and 90 lb-ft of torque while returning significantly better fuel economy estimates too. The Alpina B6 just isn't as much of an attention magnet as another offerings within this segment, but due to its rarity, you simply won't likely see another in your area or city. What's new? Besides any small reshuffling of package content and also the option of Apple CarPlay, the 2018 BMW Alpina B6 Gran Coupé carries over without the major changes. The 2018 BMW Alpina B6 Gran Coupé comes adequately equipped to start out, so there's not much to include. We like the suite of driving aids that comes with all the driving assistance plus package, and also the executive package is of interest mostly because from the heated and ventilated seats. Lastly, should you own an iPhone, select Apple CarPlay considering that the xDrive media navigation is almost lacking. Trim levels and features. The 2018 BMW Alpina B6 Gran Coupé emerged in a single, well-equipped trim which has a handful of available packages and standalone options. It comes having a fire-breathing 4.4-litre twin-turbo V8 engine, 600 horsepower, 590 lb-ft paired in an Alpina-tuned 8-speed automatic transmission, sending capacity to all 4 wheels by using a robust all-wheel drive system. Standard equipment for the B6 includes 20-inch wheels with summer performance tires, Alpina-specific exterior styling details, an adaptive sport-tuned suspension, adaptive LED headlights with automatic high-beam control, LED fog lights, automatic wipers, front and back parking sensors, a rear-view camera, power folding and auto-dimming heated side mirrors, and keyless ignition and entry. Inside, you will discover Fort's own automatic climate control, 16-way power-adjustable front seats with 4-way lumbar support, heating and memory settings, leather upholstery, an electric tilt and telescoping leader, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, ambient lighting and also a split-folding rear seat. On the technology side, features include Bluetooth phone and audio connectivity, a navigation system, voice controls, the modern xDrive 6.0 infotainment interface having a touchpad-equipped controller, wireless phone charging Qi standard, an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot having a complimentary 3 GB of web data over 3 months, smartphone app integration, a 16-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound system which has a CD player, HD and satellite radio, along with a USB port with an auxiliary audio jack. There are 3 option packages to the Alpina B6. The executive package adds ventilated front seats with active bolsters, a heated tire, heated rear seats, an electricity rear sunshade, manual rear shutters and ceramic trim controls. The driver assistance package has BMW's active driving assistant, a suite of active safety aids that bundles a frontal collision warning system with low-speed collision mitigation and pedestrian detection and lane departure warning. You can add on to this package while using Driver Assistance Plus package for any surround view camera system, speed limit information, a head-up display, blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control system. There are many choices of extra-cost leather upholstery and wood trim, as well as the B6's simulated suede headliner is usually matched to your upholstery color. Notable standalone options for that 2018 BMW ALPINA B6 include Apple CarPlay, a blind spot monitoring system, a night vision camera with pedestrian detection as well as a premium Bang & Olufsen subwoofer. All-season tires certainly are a no-cost option. Trim tested. Has not driven any version on this vehicle, but we've got limited experience which has a pre-production model. The following is our first handle what's significant concerning this and what to expect. Driving. BMW claims the Alpina B6 will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour inside a blistering yet effortless 3.6 seconds. That will improve any commute. Powerful brakes will keep all of that speed in balance, as well as an active suspension delivers both competent handling and excellent ride quality. Comfort. Fourth-zone climate control, a supple leather interior and heated 16-way power front seats with 4-wheel lumbar support are certain to help deliver comfort for many aboard, even on longer drives. BMW does a great job insulating against cabin noise while an adaptive suspension can soften standing on demand. Interior. The front seats are relatively low-sit for the sport you feel using a good quantity of space. The trunk seats will accommodate adults but they are more confining than these in traditional sedans. A low roofline creates an alluring silhouette. Nonetheless, it eats into headroom and head clearance using the rear passenger doors. Utility. Without the seats folded, there's just 13 cubic feet of cargo capacity in the B6's trunk to split between passenger luggage. Additionally, the spine lift over is within the high side, so hoisting heavy bags into it may be a pain. A minimalist cabin design means small item storage is usually a bit sparse. Technology. BMW's latest iDrive control interface is notable due to the large 10.2-inch display, sharp graphics and fast processing times. However, the latest menu structure is less intuitive to navigate. You'll want to devote time for you to familiarize yourself with the many various features prior to hit the path.